To install the system board, hold the blue lift handles on the system board carefully and align the two holes in the system board with the corresponding mounting studs on the chassis. Slide the system board to the rear of the server. Ensure that the rear connectors on the new system board are inserted into the corresponding holes in the rear panel. Install the cable holder. Install the 8 screws to secure the system board. Install any of the following components that have been removed from the system board. Reconnect all cables on the system board. Push the power supplies into the base until they click into place. Install the air baffle. Install the top cover.